Shagadain, tá Laoch na hImeartha, Andy McGowan, Tagach and Lartling. Andy, not a bad day to come up and score 3 points from half back. You enjoyed that, I'd imagine.
Oh yeah, it was very, very enjoyable. I love those. I love the open games. You never know what's going to happen. Like it was a very tight game, and we did very well to push it through to the end. But Ballymun, they're a great outfit, and we knew that from the start. We knew it was going to be a tough open game, and we're glad we pulled through.
And I suppose the competitive nature of it is a bonus. I mean, the win was one thing, and that's what I'm sure you set out to do, but you find out a little bit more, and for early season form, you must be thrilled with the way it went for you ultimately.
Yeah, thrilled personally, but like the team games, so we're very happy with how all the lads performed. We've been practicing, some lads coming back, we had 2 weeks to train for it, and everyone put in a great effort, and this is the only day we had in mind for the last while, so we did well.
Since Rory went on his travels, we've seen you move in towards number 3 at the edge of the square. You had more freedom out in the half-back line. Do you prefer that mix of him inside and you outside?
I don't mind either. I like the freedom a bit more, but Rory's a brilliant full-back and we're happy to have him back.
He's playing well, isn't he, for a fella who hasn't kicked much ball in the last number of years?
Yeah, not he. Rory always looks after himself, so there was no doubt in our mind when he came back that he was going to be ready for playing with us again.
Would you be ready for more than just Kilmacud, do you think?
We'll see.
Right. Is tú Laoch na hImeartha agus tá Sarah Cook and Gradam Laoch na hImeartha agus Cóta TG Cara runna Andy McGowan.